Question number 1. What is the region on the nucleus that is the site of ribosome assembly? A. Nuclear membrane. B. Nucleolus. C. Chromatin. D. Chromosome. Answer: B. Nucleolus. Question number 2. Which of the following statements differentiates simple passive diffusion from facilitated diffusion? A. Facilitated diffusion is an active process. B. Facilitated diffusion is saturable, simple passive diffusion is not. C. Both statements are correct. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Facilitated diffusion is saturable, simple passive diffusion is not. Question number 3. Which of the following nitrogenous bases is present only in DNA? A. Adenine. B. Thymine. C. Cytosine. D. Uracil. Answer: B. Thymine. Question number 4. Which of the following is or are point mutations? A. Insertion. B. Deletion. C. Transition. D. All of the above. E. Only A and B. Answer: D. All of the above. Question number 5. Which of the following statements about amino acids is true? A. Acidic amino acids bear a positive charge at pH 7.0. B. All amino acids have a chiral carbon. C. Lysine and arginine are basic amino acids. D. All of the above. Answer: C. Lysine and arginine are basic amino acids. Question number 6. Peptide bond, a type of amide bond, binds the amino terminal of one amino acid to the carboxyl end of another. What type of process is involved in the formation of peptide bonds? A. Oxidation. B. Hydration. C. Reduction. D. Dehydration. Answer: D. Dehydration. Question number 7. Dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine are collectively called catecholamines. Which of the following amino acids serves as a precursor in the synthesis of these catecholamines? A. Tryptophan. B. Threonine. C. Tyrosine. D. Alanine. Answer: C. Tyrosine. Question number 8. Keratin in hair and horny tissue, elastin in tendons and arteries, and collagen in skin and tendons belong to what type of simple proteins? A. Glutenin. B. Histones. C. Protamine. D. Albuminoids. Answer: D. Albuminoids. Question number 9. Which of the following are branched-chain amino acids responsible for the characteristic, sweet smell of the urine of patients with maple syrup urine disease? A. Leucine, isoleucine, and valine. B. Leucine, alanine, and valine. C. Lysine, alanine, and valine. D. Lysine, isoleucine, and valine. Answer: A. Leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Question number 10. Trimethoprim and methotrexate are folate-reductase inhibitors. The use of the aforementioned drugs predisposes a person to develop A. Nausea and vomiting. B. Dermatitis. C. Normocytic anemia. D. Megaloblastic anemia. Answer: D. Megaloblastic anemia.